this summer, we kept taking a look at the roof on the main house because at some point we'd like to put a solar installation, and we knew that this roof wasn't going to handle it. So we decided to call Guardian and get a proposal to put a metal roof on our house. And once again, we had the same positive experience with the person who came out and looked at the job, explained what our options were, gave us a nice, clear proposal. And then we considered it and decided, based on the garage roof, that we would have confidence in having Guardian do the roof on the main house. They were on time. The roof came out beautifully. I mean, it's a little funny to be proud of your roof, but every time we walk up to the house, we're really happy that we went ahead and did this job and that we had Guardian do it. The work itself is done very professionally. People show up when they say they're going to. Everybody is respectful. They communicate well. They clean up after themselves. They keep a neat work site. And all of those things that inspire confidence. Continued to recommend Guardian to friends, family, and neighbors, because you don't really like to take chances on your roof. And if you're going to hire somebody to do a big job like that, it's nice to put it in the hands of people that have shown they can be trusted to do good work.